Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yeah, thanks for joining me. And I'm here shooting this video. You cannot believe me. This is a beautiful hospital, and I'm just outside shooting this video to you people, just to know how you've been, how you've been doing. I've been doing really fine. There has been much going on in my life. There has been a lot of ups and downs, but all I choose to is not to give up, just to always stay focused and always be positive because everything is going to work eventually. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to hear from you guys. I just wanted to know how you people have been doing, and yeah, that's it. I think if you like my videos, just share them, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. I've been having some few new people subscribing to my channel. I so much appreciate everyone who takes his or her time to watch me, and I am so excited to hear from you. So looking forward for the next videos.